Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about perler beads, and my name is Sam, and this is
Hannah.
And we have some perler bead examples for you, and what to buy, and what you get, and how they work. So the first one we have is a set from IKEA. It's called Pisla. I'm not sure really how to say it. You can see how it's spelled there. And it's about $10. And I think you get 10 of the more basic colors in that set. And I believe there's about 8 or 10,000 in there to sort. So you get quite a bit for $10. So it's probably the best deal out there. But if you don't have an IKEA near you, then that might be hard to get. But there are other options. And show them what it comes with.
Comes with boards that you put the perler beads on.
So that's what a perler bead board looks like, and how you do it is you have these little plastic beads. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but they have an open hole through them, and then you set them on the board, and you can design different shapes by setting them on there. And we'll give you an example here in a minute. But the IKEA version comes with the blue one and the red one, and what else, Hannah?
And a yellow heart.
So they have some pre-made shapes for you to design your first designs with on there. And since there's only 10 colors in this, you may not have to sort them to find the ones you want. But some of the other buckets we bought, you definitely had to sort them out first. And we'll give you an example. We bought one on Amazon. That's the actual Perler brand. And this one was a huge bucket, 22,000 beads. And from the reviews,
it had like 35 colors.
About 35 colors. So maybe somewhere between 7,000 and 8,000 of each. I mean, 800 to 1,000 of each, I think. Is that right?
Yeah.
Something like that.
And then it shows you on the front of the board examples that you can make, like basic ones.
Yeah, so it gives you some examples of perler art on there. So these are some designs you can lay out. And from the reviews, it said there were about 30 colors, but we found about 35 when we sorted it. Now, 22,000 beads takes many hours of sorting. We would do it while we were watching TV or something like that.
I didn't really sort them. You mostly sorted them.
Yes. It's kind of like a puzzle when you're sorting them. Sometimes it can be frustrating because the colors are very similar. But you have to have a really good lighting in your room to see the difference. So let's show them some of the ones we sorted out.
You probably don't want to sort them outside or do anything.
No. We laid down a white sheet on the floor and sorted them in stacks, and then we put them in baggies. So let's show them some of the baggies that we sorted out. There's all different types of colors. You get the basics like black and white and gray and some browns. But there's also some really bright and dark colors in there of all sorts. So, for example, there's like a greenish. It
doesn't really look like it on the camera. It's like green, like teal kind of.
Teal, yes, I would call that teal. And then there's kind of like a hot pink. Neon pink, maybe.
And then a red.
A basic, normal red.
And then like light brown. And
Yep.
then it comes with other different colors.
Yeah, so there's probably about 3 or 4 different pinks, blues, greens, browns.
There's only like one red, and only like maybe only one red shade.
Yeah. But you can see some examples on Amazon reviews. Some people have sorted them out and shown all the different colors there and named them. But it took us about, I don't know, I would say it took us a good 8 or 10 hours to sort them casually over a few weekends, but it's not that bad, and you can use them while you're sorting them. So, but I recommend putting them in different containers when you're done. So then we have another. Well, we also bought some boards.
Yeah.
So where are our clear boards? So we bought a clear board pack from Amazon. And Hannah's going to show that to us. And it's a pretty good value. This is about $18 or $19. I think they can range anywhere from that to $20.
I don't think.
Which is a lot cheaper than buying individual 1,000 packs, which could be $2 or $3 at least. So we got 4 of these clear boards.
We bought that like separate because I
We
don't
bought
think
these
any
separate, yes.
22,000 comes with.
No, it didn't come with the boards. The boards came separate, and they were about maybe $8 or $10, I think. And there's 4 of them. You can connect them together to make bigger designs. And then, so with the clear ones, you can make different designs, and it's really easy to see the difference between the colors because of the background. And then we tried a custom set as well. So you can buy sets that are branded. Like this one is a Harry Potter set, and it shows you examples. So pull out the page in there. So they already have everything color-coded in this box in different bags. It's
But
kind of
there
hard
are
to
like
open.
3 or 4 different colors in it. And you can probably buy like maybe like Marvel or.
Yes, there's definitely Marvel and different movies or TV shows and cartoons that have their own sets.
This one,
So Harry Potter has different sets, and they have all the designs laid out that you can make.
the basic characters.
And they all fit on the boards.
Things.
So these are how you would lay them out on the boards. And we have some examples that we've already made. And I think we're going to show examples for each of those in some of our other videos. Right now we'll show you a couple of the Harry Potter ones, and that will be our basic review of Perler beads. They are definitely cheaper when you buy them in bulk than buying them individually. I think you can also get them at stores like Michael's or a craft store. And we will come back with another video and show you some of the designs we've made. So have fun with your Perler beads. Until next time, you have anything, Hannah?
No.
All right. Like, subscribe, and comment below. And thank you for watching our video.
Hi, we're doing Perler beads today.
No, we're not.